algebraic expressions. Algebra exercise and solution for grade 10. Welcome to my video series on algebra exercise and a solution from the Siyabulela grade 10 maths textbook chapter 1, providing step-by-step solution and explanation to help you master algebra. My name is Charles Oni, and I will be guiding you through this exercise. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the concepts, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on a WhatsApp number. We will take each one exercise at a time, so let's get started. Make sure to grab your textbook, pen and paper, and let's walk through this exercise together. Here are the exercises. The first exercise, a 2y into bracket y plus 4, 2y into bracket y plus, so 2y into bracket y plus 4 multiplied by 2y into bracket y plus 4. So this is how you solve. You remember board mass. The first is to open the bracket, so you have 2y multiplied by y plus 2y multiplied by 4 is going to give you 2y to power 2 plus 2y multiplied by 4. So 2, you will multiply 2 and 4. So you will have 2y raised to the power 2 plus 8y. Exercise B, into bracket y plus 5 multiply into bracket y plus 2. So this is how you solve it. Into bracket y plus 5 multiplied by into bracket y plus 2. You take one side of the bracket, which is y, multiplied by the second bracket into bracket y plus 2. Then plus 5 multiply with also second side of the, which is a y plus 2. So we then have y multiplied by y plus y multiplied by 2 plus 5y plus 5 multiplied by 2, and we have y squared plus 2y plus 5y plus 10. We can simplify it further to y squared. You add 2y plus 5y, 7y plus 10. C exercise, into bracket 2 minus 3 multiplied by into bracket 1 minus 2t into bracket 2 minus 3 multiplied by into bracket 1 minus 2t. So this is how you solve it. You take the left side of the exercise, 2 into 1 minus 2t minus t into 1 minus 2t. Now open the bracket. Remember Bajmas. So 2 times 1, 2. 2 multiplied by negative 2t is going to be negative 4t. Now minus t multiplied by 1, which is t. Then minus t multiplied by negative 2t is going to be positive 2t. Now 2 minus 5t plus 2t. So because I minus 4, t minus t. Exercise D into bracket x minus 4 multiplied by into bracket x plus 4. Now let's solve it. Yeah, you do the right side of the bracket x and then into bracket x plus 4, then the negative 4 into bracket also x plus 4. Now open the bracket. X multiplied by x, because exponent is x squared, plus x multiplied by 4x, if by 4 is 4x, then minus 4 multiplied by x is going to be negative 4x, and negative 4 multiplied by 16 by 4 is going to be 16. Now plus 4 is going to cancel negative 4, so left with x squared minus 16. Exercise E, negative into 4 minus x multiplied by x into bracket x plus 4. So you open the bracket with negative times 4, which is going to give you negative 4. Then negative times negative x is going to give you positive 4. Then now you take one side of the bracket, which is negative 4, into the second bracket, which is x plus 4, plus x into bracket x plus 4 again. Now open the bracket again, which is negative 4 multiplied by x, then negative 4 multiplied by positive 4, so it's going to give you negative 16, plus negative x multiplied by x squared, plus x multiplied by 4, which is 4x. So negative 4x will cancel positive 4x. Then we're left with negative 16 plus x squared, x raised to the power 2. Exercise F, negative into bracket a plus b, multiplied by into bracket b minus a. Like previous exercise, negative multiplied by the bracket. So we start negative a into bracket a plus b, then into bracket b minus a. Now negative multiplied by a, then multiplied by b, positive b, into bracket b minus a. Now we have negative a one side into bracket b minus a, then the other side negative b into bracket b minus a. You open the bracket, negative a multiplied by b plus negative a multiplied by negative a is going to be positive a squared. Negative b multiplied by b is going to be negative b squared, exponent. Then negative b multiplied by negative a is going to be positive ba. Yeah, that's it. Exercise G, into bracket 2p plus 9 multiplied by into bracket 3p plus 1. So you take one side of the bracket, which is 2p into bracket 3p plus 1 plus 9 into bracket 3p plus 1. Now open the bracket. 2p multiplied by 3p plus 2p multiplied by 1p. So it's going to give you 6p squared. Remember exponent, plus 2p plus 27p plus p. Plus 27p, then multiply by 1 plus 9, then we have 6p squared plus 27p plus 9. Yeah, that's the answer. You can also stop at 6p squared plus 27p plus 9. Thanks for watching. I will continue with the next set of exercises in the next video. Remember to practice each exercise on your own, step by step, to reinforce your understanding.